Good morning, guys. Good morning. Early start. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for birthday wishes, guys. Thank you so much. Hello, guys. How's your morning? I took so far 0 trades, like at all. I didn't like anything, but I would say 25 again. Yeah. I would say now news day probably is going to be a bit choppy, especially between 9:30 and 11 probably is going to be choppy. PM session might be good. So I see absolutely nothing worse to try to trade on Q and ES just yet, but we still have time, like more than 30 minutes, right? So on gold, I would like to see 40s, but I would like to see 40s since 7 a.m. It's just struggling, so 0 setups. I see like we have 5-minute order block with potential sweep, but nothing worth it, honestly. On CL, I saw one setup on CL this morning. I didn't take it, honestly. So I decided to stay away. So I see this as market maker buy model right now. We got second stage of reaccumulation with final target. Honestly, I want to see this buy side, but I will aim for order block over here. Not in this trade, just watching. Let's see how it goes. Would like to see higher on CL. As I said yesterday, I'm bullish on CL. Previous week high was my first TP. Second TP is 71. 71. It doesn't mean like we will pump there today, but overall I'm bullish. That's why I'm looking for like more bullish setups. But once again, no trades today at all. Gold pretty much choppy. CL also choppy. Yes, and Q, once again, we don't have any news, important news today. It's probably going to be choppy as well. But from what I see so far, we stuck at New York Midnight Open. And I believe as long as we buff New York Midnight Open, it's more bullish than bearish. But I will try to look for short below New York Midnight Open. So I really want to see previous week low level on ES. So probably I will check setup for short around this breaker block and fair value gap. Basically, we got a unicorn. Maybe, maybe. So I just want to see previous week low taken first before going higher. Also, we got some sort of equal lows over here, and previous week low level doesn't have a wick at all. So lines up with top of weekly fair value gap. Move from external to internal. That's why I'm looking for lower first, probably. So let's see how it goes, guys. I didn't really see a lot on NQ, but ES probably will set up for NQ later today. So we have previous day high level. Maybe at this point it will create SMT with ES. Maybe something like this. But honestly, I'm still bullish on high time frame, but I really need to see this retracement first to previous week low level before continue going higher to create a new all-time high. So guys, what is your bias? As you can see, 48% are bullish. I mean, yeah, probably 49% bullish. I agree with you guys. So overall, yes, we are bullish. Just kind of makes sense to get moved from external to internal first. But once again, I will try to act accordingly. If it's not going to present any reversal from previous day high level, I will look for continuation higher to this range between 2 and 2.5 once we can get the closure above previous day high level. So I will look at this area as target area at this point. So basically, break above previous day high level should deliver us over here. That's why I'm not like really bullish just yet, but I'm not bearish as well. So kind of no bias, Even yesterday, we got sell off that I was waiting for 2-3 hours. And they said like, no, Dash, forget about this. Forget about trading. Okay, go for it. Sing for me. Thank you. So on gold, you got short at 7:30. Even this one, Overall, it's kind of choppy in my humble opinion. I still would like to see 40s, but price is struggling. So I just would like to see this area over here. Cannot break it at all. Kind of no interest, in trading right now gold. Sitting flat with 0 trades. Consolidation. Maybe we need to break above consolidation. At this point, we will break above 40s as I want to see. And let's see what will happen over here. Thank you, guys. Thank you for birthday wishes. Thank you so much. So let's see where we can get better setup. Going to connect. I connected Epics, but I need to connect my funded futures as well. We're doing my funded futures giveaway, so you need to trade my funded futures at this point. Right? Yes. So, guys, no solid plan right now for NQ, but just will try to act according to market conditions. If it's going to break above previous day high level, I will look for move over here to the range between 2 and 2.5. Below New York midnight open, I will look for the break. Below previous day low level. Yeah, I would say thank you for birthday wishes. So far, price action, I'm not impressed with price action in July so far. It's kind of choppy, it's kind of slow, but it is what it is. So let's see how it goes today. Maybe because we don't have lots of red folder news, so we don't have enough volatility. Trump said something yesterday and it dropped. And people were surprised, like, why it dropped? But it had to drop yesterday, so why are you complaining about this? Previous day low level was screaming like, take me, take me. I mean, I don't know why people were looking for long, not short. Trump was Trump did this a bit late in my opinion. So I was on stream for almost 3 hours waiting for this short. Never happened. London high? I mean, yeah, possible. So I would like to see probably ES traded into this hourly fair value gap first and break your block over here. It can be potential unicorn. So I will check how price. I don't have template for this. Let me change the color. I will check how price react from this hourly fair value gap first. Thank you, guys. Oh, your birthday on July 12th. Yeah, lots of people were born in July. Even my mom was born in July 27. So yeah, lots of people. Yes, on gold, I'm looking for 40s to look for potential reaction. How to participate in giveaway? You just need to fill the form without numbers at this point. Without numbers. So I'm just going to send you a form later today. Just need to create account with my funded futures. You can create account right now if you want with my link. I'm going to send the link right now. Give me 1 second. Yeah, in order to save your time, guys, just create account with this link. So it will save your time later today. Create account with this link if you don't have account. If you have account, don't worry about this. So, and you just need to create account. In this form, you need to enter your email, your YouTube username, and that's it. I believe it's going to be it. So nothing more. I don't know. It seems like YouTube added some feature like top fans, and depends on I know how many messages people send. It give you number. I know how to earn this crown. So, perfect. You create account. That's amazing. That's brilliant. So you save your time for later today. Anyway, I don't think it's very important to have this rating. So on gold, yeah, let's see if we pump to 40s to look for potential reaction. It's just really struggling. Would like to see move. I mean, break above this buy side and look for the action from there. We'll see how it goes, guys. What time is it? It's 9. So maybe it will offer M2 model, but it's a bit early to talk about this. So I'm going to highlight right now 9 a.m. open. Once again, it's a bit early to talk about this, but maybe before market open, it will offer something for us. I know, we'll see. Yeah, PM session is nice. I just recently I wasn't able to trade PM session a lot. So I didn't trade PM, I would say, for maybe more than 2 weeks. No more than 2 weeks, around 2 weeks. So on NQ, yes, I agree with you. Overall, I would like to see previous week low level taken. The question is, let me delete some drawings. I saw we have some. No, it's just barcoding, my bad. So I believe ES needs to pump slightly higher to break above London high. Maybe something like this, you know? After we trade into hourly fair value gap. Sweep setting alert. It's once again totally depends on what kind of setup you're looking for. I mean, you need to have. For example, I need to have 30-minute and hourly. So, for example, I can put any I like. 30-minute in interval. I would say, I know, like default, same as chart. So I believe it's not that important. So you need to have 30-minute and return and hourly sweep, for me at least. So I don't think it's very important. Same as chart, so it doesn't really matter. Important to have settings 30-minute. You can create that, like you can create 30-minute create, and then you can just create new alert again. 1 hour, and it's going to alert you twice once we got potential sweep, you know. Hard to say if I'm like bearish. I'm overall bullish on NQ, but kind of makes sense to drop, like retrace lower on high time frame. And I still would like to see previous week low level taken before moving higher. But I will try to be a bit more humble right now, so maybe I'm asking for too much. So just for now, we'll look for ES to trade into this hourly fair value gap. Also, we got breaker block on hourly, and then reaction down. Really, in order to look for continuation higher, I would like to see probably inversion of this hourly to continue going higher. Without inversion, kind of hard for me to look for long. I can be wrong once again, just not for me just yet. Account, yeah, perfect. You saved your time for later. Because when you need to fill the form, you need to create accounts and enter your email and username. It takes so much time. You can do this right now. Perfect, guys. So we have also potential sweep. And we don't have 15-minute OB just yet. Or we actually have it, I believe. Give me 1 second. Yeah, we have 15-minute order block to pump us higher to previous day high level. So probably I would like to see maybe something like this, preferably. It doesn't mean like it will happen, but preferably something like this. So guys, no trades at all today. 0 trades. I would like to see gold trading into 40s first. Something like this, like to drop lower. Just I really need to have this sweep first. So basically, so far we have equal highs. So I do like this equal highs for potential reaction lower. So sitting on my hands on gold, so I don't really like it so far. What's the name of SMT indicator? SMT indicator. SMT indicator, so nothing changed. Just type ICT SMT. If you didn't watch my video about indicators, I can watch this. I sent all links there, I explained settings, and so on. So let's see if my retrace lower today. Thank you guys for birthday wishes. Thank you so much. I would say yes, we can include inversion for value gap for internal range liquidity. How old are you? Close to 30, so close to 30. So let's see, guys. So far nothing interesting is going on. Can I get a like? I don't know how to like you, so unfortunately. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So, guys, so far gold a bit choppy, NQ a bit choppy, CL kind of choppy, so nothing I like. At least to try to trade, nothing worth it. Maybe they're trying to tell me like, Dasha, I have a great idea for you. Maybe you don't need to trade at all today. Enjoy your day. But no, we will try. By the way, Epic sale ends today, just in case you didn't know about this. So 80% off ends today. I don't know if they're going to extend this deal or not. Just keep in mind if you want to get some evaluations with Epics. Get this before midnight. Okay. All right. No, I took 0 trades, sitting flat, so I like absolutely nothing. How many accounts? I have over 30 accounts. Look how how ugly he is right now, but we're like ignoring like lower time frame. Let's trade into hourly fair value gap, please. This fair value gap. So on gold, I really would like to see price trade into 40s before moving lower. Just I hope it's going to trade into 40s before moving lower, like equal highs taken. I mean, it wants to drop right now. I mean, is that nice? Not really, but my plan was to look for short above equal highs. Doesn't want to do this so far. Doesn't want to do this so far. I'm bullish on CL overall, you know? But no trades. Yeah, it's a bit choppy on any time frame, on any instrument so far. Gold kind of choppy, like, I don't really like this. NQ kind of choppy, yes, as well. Give me 1 second. CL kind of choppy overall picture. I don't really like this. Look at this 20-minute chart. Not worth it. We have small hourly fair value gap. Let's see how we can respect this. But once again, nothing worth it to try yet. So let's see how it goes. We still have time, but honestly don't like anything. I'm probably will look for M2 model on NQ before market open. So far we're trying to trade above 9 a.m. open. Let's do another push higher than retracement. So probably I will check in Q first for potential trade. Anyway, so let's see. So choppy right now, so choppy. You think CL high is in? Let's see. So I would like to see, honestly, I see this as market maker buy model. I really want to see this order block tested on 5. At this point, we can trade into this 4-hour week. I will give it time to develop some entry for me. I like CL because almost always it's so small stop loss. We have potential 30-minute sweep on CL. Oh yeah, basically it offered stop for 2R, yeah. It was for scalp, I believe. Let me see. Just let me check how many points. We got the closure entry. It was, yeah, quick scalp. Yeah, next. With 1 mini, risking only like... Imagine with 1 mini, risk only $80. So it's crazy. I'm not going to backtest today, so I will do Steam because I want to do giveaway. It's week of giveaways. So probably it's going to be short stream. But let's see, maybe NQ will tell us lots of volatility right at the open. Who knows? Thank you guys. Thank you for birthday wishes. Thank you so much. So let's see if ES may pump to hourly fair value gap. We really need to pump only 11 points, which is not a big deal, right? Or like July so far kind of ugly. I'm not going to lie. I would say it's ugly on any asset. But maybe just because of that first week of months. What I'm going to do after stream? I don't know, like my kids at daycare. I'm going to enjoy my day. Yeah, guys, I saw lots of people before I started trading gold. They asked about I need to find instrument that I can use for SMT with gold, and they said use silver. And maybe when it was March or April, silver wasn't that bad for SMT with gold. But right now, it looks like completely two different charts, like completely. So I'm not sure if I can like use. I still use silver as SMT with gold, but honestly, not best instrument. DXY. Okay, so I need to use this inverse correlation, right? It moves. Okay, I got it. Like oh yeah, like this. Let me see DXY. Okay, I'm going to use 2 SMTs. So basically, I need to check this box as invert. This means inverse correlation with DXY. This means if gold is dropping, DXY is going higher. So I'm going to use DXY and I'm going to check this box as invert correlation. You can use, give me 1 second. This one, right? Never tried before. Oh, seems like we got same SMT. That's interesting, so I'm going to definitely try this. So let me take a note because probably I'm going to forget about this. Which one then? Which broker I need to use? Where's this one? Give me 1 second. Fix this. Which one? Well, I'm making notes. DXY. Which one? We have forex.com. Which one? So silver and here we have lots of options. I don't think that's very important, honestly. Cooper. I mean, seems like if I want to use forex pair, we got solid SMT and solid confirmation. Thank you guys. You can use. Okay, give me 1 second. Or not entirely sure if we have it. We have this option. You think this one is gonna work? This month we don't have any SMT. Okay, I'm going to figure this out after Steam. On my own. You want a full port? I mean, not really. So we have seek and destroy right now on gold. Confirmed seek and destroy. At this point, I will look probably on CL or NQ. Well, for CL, I use SMT with RB and HO, so totally depends on you. I would say both works well. Anyway, let's see if I get stopped on gold. I have 0 interest because pretty much seek and destroy so far. No negative 4. By the way, I removed this minus today. So right now we need to have plus 400, right? So guys, let's see how it goes. So far we're trading, trying to trade above 9 a.m. open. So at this point, let's see if we pump first. Like this, because I'm looking for ES to trade into hourly free Volga before the action lower. Yeah, I agree, like silver is better and it works so nice when it was March and April, but right now, recently, I noticed that it's pretty much not in sync, like at all. And I'm starting to see, looking for another instrument to look for SMT. Kind of hard to trust SMT with silver recently. Thank you so much. Thank you. FNT funded ticks? Yes, I will do in the future. Because yesterday I asked on Twitter prop firms, because I don't trade lots of prop firms, I trade only like the most popular one, like IPX, my funded futures, funded next futures, take profit trader, TradingView. And I decided to ask on Twitter for opinion about different prop firms, and I noticed we got funded futures network and funding desk or something like this, and funding 6 as 3 best top prop firms that I need to try. And actually, I will give a chance the funding 6. Too many good reviews about this. Should we try to trade funding 6? Guys, your opinion about this? Because if so, I will do giveaway in the near future. Oh, thank you so much. Because I saw like really good reviews about funding ticks. Edit trader. I mean, I traded with them maybe 1 year ago, maybe a bit less. I believe 1 year ago. But the activation fee was so high, it was over $300 for 50K account. And it was time when they allowed to trade up to 20 accounts. And I was like, $6,000 for 20 accounts? Even more, it was around $7,000. If I can get epics, like 3 times less, I need to pay 3 times less. I mean, like, no. I saw they reduce the activation fee right now. It maybe like was 5 months ago, but I never tried them after this. It was just crazy for me when it was a huge activation fee before. I'm like, what's the point to buy Edit Trader if we have epics cheaper? I mean, like, what's the point? Yeah, so I decided to give a chance to funding ticks. So let's see how it goes. You know they pay to get run. Oh, really? No, I didn't know about that. Thank you, guys. Okay, today I found out like my funded next futures. It's this code note for CFD. Funded next futures right now offering 10% off. Before it was 5% off. Right now they offering 10% off. So that sounds like a deal. Alpha futures. Yesterday someone recommended me Alpha futures. Never heard about them. Never tried this. So I didn't even know they exist. Funded next, not pay. Share your experience with us. Funded next or funded next futures? Because I didn't see bad reviews about funded next futures. Personally trade with them. Share with me. Why it seems like we got double? SMT anyway. Looks strange. Yes, I do trade with Apex. I still have 20 accounts. I still execute on them. Not every day, but almost every day. False copy trading? Oh, how is it even possible? Gold needs to pump to 40s. These only levels make sense to me. There's nothing worse to trade here, unfortunately. June was absolutely brilliant for me in terms of win rate. May was absolutely ugly for me. So I would say it depends on the month. So I don't have like perfect win rate. I would say overall, if I want to calculate for entire months, I need to check on TradeZella, by the way, around like 65%. Maybe 70. I need to check. I will check later and will let you know. Not that huge, so. October last year was ugly. May was ugly. April wasn't bad. I believe in April I second half of April was red. I mean, I finished my April red, so not bad. So at least good. Good return at this point. What is your risk management? What exactly you want to hear from me? Yeah, I will give a try. Funded 6. So yeah, that's performance I'm interested in so far. All you can do for my viewers is just like the stream, and that's it. That's all I ask. And I trade order blocks. I don't care what kind of instrument is that, but I'm trading order blocks. So guys, the question is if my pump, so kind of traded below 9 a.m. open. The question is, what time is this? Market is open, right? So let's see if we get the closure above this. It must be blue line. Order block, order block, order block. At this point, probably we'll look for possible pump. I don't want to risk more than normally $400. So just adjust your contract to this price. If you see like your stop loss is 50 points, you need to trade around 3-4 micros, right? If you want to include commission. So all I don't like right now, we just dropping without retracement. So ideally was looking for the pump, then drop. It decided to do something opposite. Thank you so much for birthday wishes, guys. Funded next futures. Let's see. So they just ran 30% off last week. It expired yesterday, by the way. So I'm not sure when their new fresh deal. I hope soon. They're running 10% off right now, which is also deal. So considering like overall quarters, I would say right now we're sitting inside manipulation. Because first quarter was continuation overall, first 3 months. Second quarter was accumulation. Right now we're inside manipulation phase. Just dropping so far without us, because I think it was looking for pumps and drop. Probably it has different plans. Which is fine. It's still choppy. Nothing changed. Nothing changed, guys. It's still choppy. Maybe it's a bit early on the day, so. So guys, if we are not going to get 400 likes today, I will do giveaway anyway, so nothing changed. I'm going to do 10 accounts giveaway. Just if you are going to hit 400 likes, I will do one more giveaway, which is going to be Take Profit Trader. But giveaway will be my funded futures, 10 50k accounts. Anyway, no matter how many likes we can get at this point. Just once we can hit 400 likes, I will do one extra. That's pretty much it. I see if a solar block. Now consider first of all, if you want to which accounts. Give me 1 second. I have this in my notes. Just forgot which one it's going to be. Where's my notes? Starter accounts. How to participate? I will post the link in the chat. Just fill the form. By the way, guys, before I post the link, I highly recommend to create account right now with my funded futures. Here's the link. You will save your time later. So you can create account right now with this link. Just create account. You don't need to pay for anything. Create account. If you already have account, you're free from this. Don't create account if you have account. If you don't have account, create this link that I send you above. Okay, guys? So far, just selling. That's it. Guys, all you need to do, I will send you the form, just need to enter your email, username, and that's it. Your country and jurisdiction. If participate anyway, if you're going to win, I will send you take profit trader at this point. You already have accounts and don't worry about this. 80 mini buy and Q? Oh, you're crazy. So we took some liquidity level. Seems like we got equal lows, right, over here. We took this equal lows. We have one more sell side lower. And next Asia low. So let's see how we can respect levels. I wouldn't say it's London low, so basically 6 a.m. is not inside London kill zone, as well as 1 a.m. is not inside kill zone. It just equal lows over here, you know. It's not London, in my opinion. So I was not going to use a solar block. It's just going to be huge. Makes zero sense. Let's see, if NQ is dropping, gold needs to pump, but once again, sitting inside seek and destroy, I absolutely don't like it. So looking for equal highs taken, but once again, it's really struggling. CL also struggling, but overall on CL I'm bullish. Just I don't see setup right now to engage, unfortunately. We have SMT with RB, we have potential 30-minute sweep, we have reaction from our fair value gap. Let's see if we create order block to pump, at least to take a high over here. Let's see. So not going to predict. Let me open NQ CL on my other screen. CL. And here we go. Thank you guys for birthday wishes. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So I will do giveaway anyway. If you're going to hit 400 likes, I will do one extra giveaway. But 10 account, 10 50k starter accounts from my funded futures. Anyway, you can get this. No matter how many likes we have. Right? We got some jokes. TradingView will be this week as well. Don't worry. I will do straight to funded. I will do regular ones. So don't worry about this. As well as I'm going to do TradeZella, 12 months free access. As well as I'm going to do... What else? Oh, Apex, which is not the best scenario. But from the other side, it can pump, then drop again. Right? We're just going to be straight move down, like forget about any shorts at this point, of course. Of course. So I just don't know lots of... Oh, I will do take profit trader as well. More than one account. I'm just not quite sure about... we don't have lots of platforms that offers no activation fee. It can be take profit trader. It can be my funded futures. It can be funded next futures. And that's it, I believe. Maybe TradingView, you know, depends on plan. So... agree about this because so far I don't like how gold, how CL, how NQ look overall. Oh, no, I didn't know about Cooper. So you think it works great with gold? Epix does have future, not future activation fee. So you trying to tell me Cooper has SMT with gold? I need to check this. Never tried before. So we don't have important news today. That's probably why it's kind of struggling. Maybe that's why. Why bother trading? Exactly, exactly. But I still would like to keep my eyes on different markets, and I'm keeping my eyes absolutely nothing worse to try yet. But looking overall on the picture, if I want to zoom out, we got accumulation, we got manipulation down so far. So guys, let's see how it goes. Oops. FOMC, yes, it's going to be not really FOMC meeting, it's going to be minutes, but still volatility, Thank you so much for birthday wishes, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So from what I see so far, we got, once again, seems like we got manipulation. I really would like to look for potential M2 model for long, to at least take this equal highs. Unfortunately, we got sequence of down close candles over here. We didn't take another sell side, but we took equal lows. We got minor closure above this down close candle, which is so hard to call as a order block, honestly. I don't know, maybe I would like to see something like this. Maybe slightly lower to take sell side. Yeah, just trying to build a plan. Well, yes, really trying right now to pump. On yes, makes sense to wait for inversion, I would say. Exactly. So this early for a value gap is key level for me as well. So I really would like to see pump on yes to that level. I'm not 25, but it's okay. Not 25 anymore. Thank you so much for birthday wishes. Well, I'm going to post new video this week about simple model. I mean, just second part of golden CL model, and it's going to be last part. I will answer all questions that I got from my previous video, so I will cover this in my new video. So I guess I'm going to cover every question there. U19? Oh, that's nice. Oh, don't worry about jokes, so I didn't even notice that, so I wouldn't say we have news, important news. I'm going to check right now, but I believe it was... Oh, we don't have any news at 10. At 25. Guys, just for information, I'm not 16, I'm not 19, I'm not 21, I'm not 25. I have 2 kids. They were born when I was already more than 20. Bitcoin futures never tried, by the way. Never tried. I know we have it, but on Bitcoin overall, I'm looking for 120. Within next month, I believe. Yeah, that's compliment. I know. Just... Okay, we insist in yes right now. We basically inverted this fair value gap. Well, look at NQ is struggling so far. So only yes, I would like to see pump to this hourly fair value gap. Guys, you're funny. Where to? I'm long-term investor on Bitcoin. I still surprised how people buy at this price, honestly. Because that's crazy. Once you can offer shift, yes, should pump to hourly fair value gap. CL struggling, gold doesn't want to move, sitting inside seek and destroy. Come on, I anticipate to get some sort of volatility, at least something. I mean, I started buying Bitcoin 2017, like 8 years ago, when price wasn't like one. It was around like $2,000. I have some altcoins, some meme coins. I have Bitcoins, a bit of them. Unfortunately, I'm not billionaire. Unfortunately, yes, I have XRP since 2019, I believe, if I'm mistaken. Yes, you can trade gold with my funded futures. You just need to get good and right data for this. If you see this as delayed data, you need to go to your dashboard, find billing on the left part of your screen. Click at this billing. I'm going to go for it with you guys. I don't remember. Yeah, just go for billing. After billing, you need to go down, 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 down. Then prop account receipts. You need to find view market data. Click there. Trade await, upgrade. So you just need to pick the right data. This is what I did. If you didn't get this, just send me a message on Twitter. I will guide you with this information. Why? What do you mean? No one believes in this. And did you see how it pumped? If people don't believe in some altcoins, which actually has potential like in the future, so I would say buy it, which is free. Data should be free, yes. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, it's crazy for me to buy Bitcoin right now, which makes 0 sense. YM, you want to tell me YM is already did that move while classic. See this classic situation while we're waiting for long on NQ or ES, and YM already pumped lots of points, and I'm like, what? Just waiting for delayed delivery on NQ at this point, which is also crazy, and I absolutely hate it. Yeah, nothing worse so far to trade. I like how yes inverted 2-minute fair value gap. Why not just to pump? Why not? Because CS doesn't want to do this. We don't have a real reason for this. Just why not? Once again, I need to backtest YM to start trading this. Just don't want to blindly like open chart and immediately execute this. See how many contracts I need to trade, what's the price per point, and so on. Yeah, I have chart on my another screen with volume profile. So yeah, I keep my eyes on this. Just talking about shorts, just feels like maybe that's me, but I feel like it's so strange right now to short because it just feels like from nowhere, Just in order to go down, we need to take some sort of buy side liquidity level. And I wouldn't say we took something, Just I just feel like we got manipulation. We inside manipulation phase so far. It's just really struggling. So ES is trying to respect 2-minute inversion fair value gap. Let me delete this arrow so it doesn't need to overlap my drawings at this point. Let's see if we get the closure above previous week high. Not week, candle high. Previous candle high. Stop loss maybe is going to be this week's because we already took this equal loss if I want to consider bodies. So let's see if we close above previous swing high. Previous candle high. It's not from nowhere. I know you don't like this word. I'm so sorry, but for me, it's from nowhere. 5-minute fair value gap. Let me check this. From that one. Let's see. I would say my concern right now is yes, kind of offered bullish shift already. I'm not really bullish on gold. I'm not bullish on gold. It's just seek and destroy. I really would like to see pump to 40s to short from there, but it's struggling, so I'm not going to even check this anymore. You're my babysitter? Okay, thank you. We didn't get the closure, unfortunately. I love it. My kids are fine. They're in summer camp right now. Oh no, I didn't finish. I didn't even trade yet. Yeah, it's actually 950 macro and price kind of slow. No volatility, nothing. See, we didn't get the closure, so just don't want to engage in this since no closure. If you want to get the closure above previous candle high, we didn't get this. We just closed inside this candle range. No trades yet, so didn't meet my criteria for this long yet. Okay, waiting guys. Not valid yet. We didn't get the closure. Close inside previous candle range. That's not closure. We didn't get shift in structure just to upside yet. Well, it is what it is. So going to wait more. Maybe we'll get this with next candle. Your birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, we got the closure just right now. Basically, we got the closure above previous candle highs. That's nice. So let's see if we engage in this move. So no trades yet. Yes, didn't take this high, so basically trying to create another equal highs. You said gold and DX went in the same direction. That's classic seek and destroy. Yes, that's why it's not worth it just yet. It's just seek and destroy so far. I don't want to engage in this move just yet. It left this equal highs. I will probably just will leave this alone. Not going to engage. As well as we got pretty much a chop over here, and let's see if we have some on 5-minute chart, because we're looking for potential sweep on hourly, but see nothing. We don't have any shift in structure to upside. It's just choppy. Well, guys, no trades yet. Sitting flat. Kind of, I don't know, like kind of don't like anything so far. We got the closure, so I'm looking for move long on NQ. Let's see if ES may confirm this long for me to. I will engage on NQ at this point. So no trades yet. Sitting flat. By the way, guys, do you like my birthday hat over here? Looks nice. Looks nice. A bit of art from me. Well, guys, anyway, you see it. Epic's 80% off. By the way, sale ends today. Sale ends today, so with Epix. I'm not sure if they're going to extend this deal. Not sure. So, but if you want to get evaluation with on cheap price, just practice something so you can get 80% off before midnight today, because it's going to expire. Maybe they will take some days off before announcing another 80% off. Who actually knows? But just saying, guys, Epix ends tonight. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. ES left equal highs, so he's in my hand so far. Yeah, boring market so far. Yeah, nothing worth it, honestly. Nothing worth it yet. When is giveaway? We'll start giveaway soon. What time is this? I will start giveaway at 10:30. In 30 minutes. Oh, look how it dropped. Oh my god. Maybe I wasn't in this trade. So finally we took sell side. Unfortunately, and yes, that's unfortunately, price doesn't want to offer long to short later to previous day low level. It's just struggling so far. Well, I mean, that's fine, just nothing worth it. Are you? I'm from Belarus, so my accent is Russian. In case you were wondering about this. So this week I will do TradingView, Take Profit Trader, TradeZella. What else? We have Epix accounts, but for TradingView I will do straight to funded and I believe advanced accounts. Not sure. I created list of giveaways and obviously I forgot about this. Oh, growth challenge accounts and straight to sim funded account. So overall, I'm going to do 6 accounts with TradingView. 6 accounts with Take Profit Trader, 10 accounts with My Funded Futures, 3 accounts with TradeZella, and 5 accounts with Apex. You took pre-market? Oh, that's nice. Good job. So I didn't engage yet. Definitely like. Oh, you bought my... Thank you so much for supporting me. But I'm not Russian. That really means. I'm from Belarus. It's next to Russia, but it's not Russia, so... Belarusian. Yeah, it's something like something similar between Russian and Ukrainian, I would say. Like mix of both languages. Is it cold? No, it's pretty much hot right now. It has 4 seasons, which is nice. It has winter, it has fall, it has summer, it has spring, so... Basket of bread. What? I never heard about this, and I even didn't know about that. Unfortunately, it's just dropping, so unfortunately, yeah. It's 10:03. Let's see if we get silver bullet. Where's first percent fair value gap? Give me 1 second. So you want to tell me like we only got invert first? That's interesting. So first percent fair value gap is over here. Before that, it was just choppy, extremely choppy. We invert first percent fair value gap with this displacement down, so nothing worse to try here. I hate when we get inversion fair value gap with displacement candle. That's always crazy. I still believe like Queen said, for some reason I still feel like Queen said manipulation phase, guys. I just feel like I already said it, like not enough for reversal. If it's going to be just straight move down, I will just stay away from this. Didi was looking for pump, then drop, especially on ES, this already for a value gap, like absolutely obvious level for reversal. While YM already did its job, of course. 1 minute looks ugly, not going to lie. But we got pump, basically accumulation, manipulation, distribution, reversal. So what else do we need? Nothing. So yeah, YM was nice. Absolutely classic price action. Well, in Q just... VLAB works. If people find this useful, trade with this. Oh, you cannot see my AES chart. I do look on for a chart just on my right side of my screen, so it's over here. It's literally respected 30-minute for 3-minute for order block after we got 30-minute sweep, but that's it. Huge sequence of up close candles. Anyway. Yeah, let's chop on YM. I need to check this, so I never tried. I mean, I tried maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, but I cannot call this like it was trading, you know? So gold inside seek and destroy. So it left equal highs, as well as on NQ we have accumulation, manipulation, probably distribution. So okay, I will probably look for something like this. So another lower, then pump, retracing to 50%, and then something like this. If we get this, so I will try to engage at 50% of this leg. So this means we got accumulation, we got manipulation. Would like to see one more move lower. And if it's going to offer reversal, obviously just expansion higher, I will look for 50% of this leg to engage in this long. That's it. I don't see any other long setups. That's what I'm looking at right now. If we get something like this, maybe slightly lower. So this can be in a play. That's it. Something like this. But I don't want to engage over here. I don't want to engage over here. I don't want to engage in this displacement higher up, right? I want to engage only at retracement to 50%. Not OTA, not 20, not 30, not 62, 50%. So if we get 50% retracement after we got expansion higher, I will engage in this long to first buy side liquidity, which is where? Over here. That will be the plan. Otherwise, I will just stay away. I'm not going to touch anything, just this. If I get this, that's nice. I will give it a try. No? No, then no. That's the plan. Not going to engage in this short. Not going to engage in this move up. Only at retracement and long. But if it goes down, I will stay away. I'm not going to trade this at all. Overall, my major target is previous month's low, which is 250.50, but I need to see this retracement. So it builds this accumulation to pump there, please. That's my plan. Once again, I'm not going to engage in this short if it's going to continue going lower. And even if it's going to continue to go lower, I will wait for move higher, retracing to 50%, and long to first buy side liquidity. Not this buy side, not this buy side, not this first buy side liquidity over here. That will be the plan. That's it. Nothing more I like. If not from here, I will wait for move lower and exactly same idea, exactly same long setup. Just I'm not sure how low we can go. We have some sell side, maybe we'll go to the sell side, and then I will look for reversal, but idea will remain the same. You got my point. NQ selling off. Absolutely not love it. My plan on gold will remain the same, so I will just keep my eyes on this. If it's going to present the opportunity for me, I'm all in. If not, then not so. So you got the plan. So idea is just, it's not only for gold, but guys, just quick lesson. I will share a perfect way to trade low resistance liquidity or second destroy once you got break below one of this low or high of this second destroy, for example, below this leg. Let me show you the perfect way to trade this. So for example, let's say we got low resistance. So what I anticipate to get, and this happens like almost always. We'll get sharp move down. We'll get sharp move down like this. So basically, once again, we got low resistance, sharp move down. We hit some sort of high time level. Once again, not only for NQ, for any asset. Then retracement. If we hit high time level, I will wait for the retracement to 50% of this leg up. I will long over here to aim for first buy side. So it's very important to long at 50%. So I will put my long entry over here, and I'm going to aim for first buy side, and I'm going to put my stop loss at swing low. It works everywhere, on NQ, on CE, any asset. Best idea to trade this. After this, normally we're trying to retrace again. Almost always we will retrace from first buy side liquidity level. That's why I prefer to close at first buy side, because not always retracement, sometimes a reversal, all the way down to create new low. That will be my plan for gold. Maybe for NQ. SPX. Yeah, I mean, we already highlighted this before on stream, remember this? So it worked nice. So if gold going to present this opportunity, I'm all in. I will try on funded accounts, not an evaluation on funded account. What did I want to do? Yeah. We bullish today. Where on NQ? Time for giveaway soon, guys. First giveaway is going to be Take Profit Trader, and another giveaway is going to be my funded future. Since we hit 400 likes, 2 giveaways today. I actually for M2 model time shifted to 9 a.m. and since we just dropped, so I cannot say like we really traded above 9 a.m. So probably we'll look for potential long. At least retracement back to this fair value gap or this highs over here. So guys, I will do 2 giveaways today. First giveaway is going to be Take Profit Trader. Just one account. And 20 minutes later, I will do my funded futures. So first giveaway, since we hit 400 likes, I promise we are going to do giveaway. And let me create the form. But before I create the form, your task right now, before I create the form, for Take Profit Trader, please listen to me. For Take Profit Trader, you need to create account first. Because we got lots of issue with people who want giveaway with Take Profit Trader. They don't have account. Guys, here's the link. Create account right now. It's free. If you already have account, that's nice. That's brilliant. If you don't have account, please create your account with this link. It takes 2 minutes to create this. Even less. Once you create your account, I will send you the form. So I'm just trying to save your time, guys. Take Profit Trader does not have activation fee. So about a quiz, yes, I was thinking about adding quiz to my homework. Guys, if you're new on my channel, subscribe to my newsletter because I send homeworks to people. It's completely free. Homeworks to complete this, and I want to add some quizzes there. So before I send you homework, you will get email with instructions, with lesson. And after you watch this lesson, you read this lesson, it's up to you. It's like text and video format. You will get homework assignments. That's like not huge homework assignment. And I want to add after homework assignment quiz. So just to check yourself. If you want for me to check this homework, just send me this on Twitter. But if don't send me email with your homework because I get lots of emails, impossible to read every email. Just post this on Twitter. If you want, just tag me there or just send me on Twitter as direct message. That's the best option. Going to post link right now for my weekly newsletter. And yes, no one does this, especially for free. I just care about people. Once again, before this homework, you will get instructions with lessons. So it's like you don't need to guess. You will get homework based on a lesson that you need to read and watch. It's up to you, basically, to format there. Well, guys, let me send you weekly newsletter link. Guys, right now I send you link in the chat. See this link? All you need to do, just click this link, email address, enter your email address, subscribe. That's it. That's all I ask. So basically, I'm collecting your emails to send you homeworks. Not going to scam you guys. I promise. So your first task is to create account with Take Profit Trader right now to participate in giveaway. Your second task, just subscribe to newsletter. That's it. Maybe I will add, give me 1 second, I'm going to send link. Maybe I will add, I will think about this. Maybe I will add weekly outlooks for newsletter, just it takes so much time, you know. Please scam me. So, guys, I sent one homework before. Let me log into my email to show you. Guys, send you the link with, it's a different profile. I was like, what is going on with my emails? Give me 1 second. I will show you how homework assignment normally looks. Let me show you how your homework normally is going to look like. So your homework normally is going to look like this. Let me move a little bit so it's better to see for you. So your homework is going to look like this. First, I will show you what you will find in this homework. After this, you can watch the video. It's up to you. If you don't understand my accent and my English, I normally post lesson right below this. Lesson, 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 lesson. Another lesson, M2 model. If you don't want to watch this, here is a lesson. Another lesson. And right after these lessons, I mean, I explained this so well in my humble opinion. You will get homework. See this homework. And you will get your assignment with checklist. You just need to check this list. For example, you can print this. You can do whatever you want with this. It's like picture. You can save this picture. See this? Homework. It's short homework. You don't need to spend like lots of time on this. And right after this, you will get free prop firm guide, how to pass and manage your accounts, and ICT Concept guide with 150 pages information. So here we go, guys. This is what I do for people, absolutely for free. Hope you're going to enjoy this kind of homeworks. Okay, guys, let's first you need to do for for giveaway with my funded, not my funded. Come on, Dasha, give me 1 second. I need to think about this first. First, guys, here's the link for Take Profit Trader. All you need to do, click this link. Don't type anything in the chat. Click this link. And in this link, you will find the word number. This means I don't need your social security. I don't need your phone number. I don't need your home address. I don't need your shoe size. I don't need your card number. Just any number between 1 and 99. Why I'm saying this? Because lots of people keep sending me phone number. I don't need this. So guys, click this link. I'm going to pin this message right now. Click this link, guys. And in number section, you just need to type any number between 1 and 99. Yes, I am sure about this. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. That's crazy. Anything. Type. That's perfect. If it says anything, that's even better. Any number between 1 and 99. Thank you, guys. Not that hard, right? Not that hard. While we are waiting, CL trying to pump. That's great, by the way. That's trying to pump. 71 remains my key level on CL. So basically, we got potential 30-minute sweep on CL. We just got this 3-minute order block. We just got the closure above. Not just like 3 minutes ago, we got the closure. So probably we'll look for retracement again. to pump for 2R. Yes, I have news on my another screen. So right now I only use 3 screens, 3 monitors, because my 2 stopped working. They said like, Dasha, you need so many monitors. they simply stopped working. So right now I have only 3 monitors, one for trading, one for chats, and another for stuff like YouTube, news, volume profile, some charts, you know. So far I lost interest in trading in Q, like at all. Gold. Let's see. On gold, you got my idea. So I will keep my eyes on gold. I just need to get leg up first and wait for the retracement to 50%. So at this point, I will aim for first buy side. I'm not going to engage over here, as well as I'm not going to engage over here. Just going to wait for this retracement. That's only plan I have so far. Oops. Back on 3-minute chart. Confirm. Maybe it takes some time to do this. You want to see 925 on Q? Yeah. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Pretty much straight entry. Normally we can find order block there. But if you backtest, pretty much it's just straight entry. Yeah, sometimes we can get 62%, sometimes we can get 70.5%, like OT. But idea is to try to look for entry at 50%. Why do you mark first percent fair value gap? I don't really use this, honestly. I just highlight to see if it may be like support and resistance today, but not really, you know. We got this first percent fair value gap on Cubis displacement, so which is not worth to try at all. So like it's not for me. On gold, I already said that. On gold, it's either going to be 2 scenarios. We're going down lower to over here to the sell side. To the sell side. And we're waiting for a setup like this. Let me basically move it so it's easy to understand what kind of setup I'm looking at. Something like this. At this point, probably will aim for this buy side. Only will engage on 50% retracement. That's the plan. That's all I have. Next time, between one, it's kind of hard, you know. It's going to be hard to pick the winner. Lots of numbers. Thank you guys for birthday wishes. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, let's do quick giveaway right now for Take Profit Trader. Quick giveaway for Take Profit Traders, and we will start new giveaway for my funded futures. Agree with this? So your task was to pick any number between 1 and 99. Let's pick one. So for take profit trade, I will do one account giveaway. For my fund futures, 10 accounts. So first number 42. Who was first for 42? Let me see. Oh, I found it. Yeah, I found that guy. And we have a winner. Just one winner seems like with this number. We got a winner for take profit take profit trader, yes. Here's the winner for take profit trader account. 50k take profit trader. And I will do giveaway for my funded futures right now. Give me 1 second. Giveaway starts right now for... Okay, numbers only for take profit trader. So to pick the winner quickly. For my funded futures, you don't need to type any numbers. Just any number you like. Oh, you can type anything you want. Wait. Right now, you can just click this form, pinned message in the chat. In anything section, you can type whatever you want in anything, whatever you want. Number, smiles, just not leave this empty, like whatever you want. In anything section, once again, whatever you want. You can type whatever you want. Once again, click the form that I sent in the chat. I cannot send because you keep typing the numbers. Stop, guys. Stop. Guys. Guys, that's it. Wait. See? I sent the link. Pinned message in the chat. That's for 10 my funded futures accounts. Click this link. Fill this form. That's it. Wait. That's it. Oh, it's exactly the same Google form? Okay. Give me 1 second. I will create a new one. Give me 1 second. That's strange. Give me 1 second. I will create a new one. Okay, give me 1 second. 1 second. We'll send you a new one. Give me 1 second. Anyway. We just got 2-minute order block. Okay, let's focus on price action right now while I'm creating the form. I'm sorry guys about this. So let's see if my pump from this order block back to 9 AM open. Give me 1 second. So I'm looking for a move higher right now to consolidation high. We just got 2-minute order block. We got 2-minute order block with displacement. Normally we never did trace back to this order block. It's just going to be straight move. Up. Let's see if I may engage in this move. Sorry about delay. I will give you a new link soon. So once again, I still consider this as manipulation down. I still see this as a consolidation high. Let's see if my pump back up. So we trace to first presented fair value gap. I hope it's going to be declaimed fair value gap in the future. Let's see if I engage this. Guys, I'm going to send you a new form in a moment. Give me 1 second. Yeah, it can be unicorn, just in case you don't need to see the test of this unicorn. I believe a new entry is going to be based on declaimed fair value gap with stop loss below breaker block. Okay, guys, here's a new form for you from my funded futures. Just fill this form. So fill this form to participate in 10 accounts giveaway. I pinned this message right now. Just new form for you guys. I pinned this message just to participate in this giveaway for 10 50k starter plan accounts from my funded futures. Just fill this form. That's all I ask. You don't need to type any numbers, just whatever you want. Another entry must be with the claimed fair value gap, I believe. We got reclaimed fair value gap on 1-minute chart. Let's see if we may quickly detest and continue going higher. So once again, I still see this as accumulation, manipulation, distribution to upside. And okay, let's say it doesn't want to take consolidation high. At least it must take 50%. At least 50%. If not consolidation high, at least 936 level. Thank you guys for birthday wishes. Yeah, this board not best, just that's all we have, unfortunately. Thank you guys for birthday wishes. So many birthday wishes. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, guys. I got reclaimed for a value gap over here. Let's see if my pump to hourly for a value gap. So the question is on a, I know, like, can we pump on ES like this with stop loss below New York midnight open? That's the main question right now on ES. So see how we're trying to respect 50% of original consolidation? That's normal reaction, by the way. If you feel the form, let's do 5 more minutes. Just let's focus a bit. Oh, break a block. Yeah, in my opinion, break a block was just one single candle. It could be these candles as well, but not really. So equal highs remains main target on ES. Let's see if my pump to hourly fair value gap. Still trying to retrace. So gold going to my previous day. It's not previous day low level, I believe. But no, it's previous day low level. So on gold, I will long if we get this set up. It's what I'm going to set alert for. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for birthday wishes, guys. So interesting reaction from 50%. I would say that's normal reaction. Happens a lot. Yeah, on gold, you got my plan. So look at this reaction from 50%. That's crazy. That happens a lot. It doesn't mean like we should reverse from here, but happens a lot. A reaction from 50% of original consolidation. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Well, let's see how we can respect. I'm watching right now in Q only. So I'm watching how we can respect declaimed fair value gap, which was first presented fair value gap, to continue going higher to this equal highs. But solid reaction from 50% so far. Let's do 3 more minutes for winners, if you don't mind. Let me put key level, because that's key level. M and Q. Retest of New York midnight open on both yes and Q. What else we got on 3-minute chart? Retest of breaker block on 5-minute chart. Retest of breaker block as well. So we have SMT between yes and Q so far. Not that significant yet. So if you just joined for giveaway, see pinned message in the chat. So that's key level. Look at the strong rejection. I keep saying like 50% of original consolidation, best target for market maker buy or sell model. We chase to this order block. Interesting reaction. At the same time, a bit annoying, but main question if may pump to these highs. Yes or no? Yes or no? That's the main question. I love this reaction. I love this SMT between yes and NQ. Small 1-minute order block. Look at this. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Thank you so much. So yes, failed to play this out. Okay, that's fine. So we got the test of reclaimed 1-minute inversion fair value gap. It was first presented fair value gap, basically. And we got strong rejection from this level. That's, honestly, that's magic. Let's see if we close again below this level. At least at this point, it should be invalidation. Strong rejection from 3-minute order block as well. We got the closure below New York midnight open. Basically, that's first invalidation, you know? Yeah, crazy drop, right? But before this, we got SMT with small 1-minute order block. I don't really trust 1-minute chart, you know? That's deep retracement. So far, OT retracement, which is crazy. I believe Trump said something, but we didn't close below this first presented fair value gap, which is reclaimed fair value gap, guys. So I I probably believe as long as we're inside this first percent fair value gap, a declaimed fair value gap, it's still valid. We'll continue going higher. You want to see 780 like right now? You want to see previous day low level, I got it. Okay. I mean, it's possible, but kind of would like to see highest taken first. I know that kind of makes sense to me. Oh, you want to see this today? You want to see previous day low level today? Possibly. On gold, I already shared my point on gold. So if we get reaction from previous day low level pump, I mean, I need to see expansion higher, expansion up. And if it's going to create a retracement of this like up to 50%, I will engage in this long trade. That's it. That's my plan. See, like textbook. Trump tweets something. So we will pick winner in 2 minutes. I just want to be a bit focused for a 10:50 macro, if you don't mind. Interesting SMT. Thank you so much for birthday wishes, guys. Anyway, let me see the form. Oh, so many participants, guys. Wow. So you don't need to type any number. Just type whatever you want, guys. And I will just pick random 10 people. You don't need to type any numbers. So let's see if my close below first percent fair value gap again. I cannot even say it's going to be like declaimed fair value gap, or how to call this. So we just got the closure. Maybe chappy, so I don't really like this. Happy birthday shorts make sense. I mean, maybe. Trump needs to say something for this short again. So I'm ready to say, like, most likely it's invalidated because we got the closure below New York midnight open, which I feel like first sign of invalidation of this potential. I'm just keeping my eyes on high time frame right now. First sign of invalidation. But at this point, I don't see any short setups as well. Kind of struggling, you know. I will probably, I don't know, like, prefer to stay away from this. It left some equal highs higher. The question is, they want to manipulate lower to previous day low level before reversal. That's possible, just kind of crazy to believe in this. Guys, what do you think about NQ right now? We got SMT, like double SMT at different time frames at highs. We reached 50% of original consolidation while it left equal highs higher. We will drop first. What do you think about this? You think it's manipulation before moving higher? I kind of feel like probably since we got the closure below New York midnight open, we got first sign of bearishness just right now. I can be wrong at this point, just see this like potential invalidation, you know? The test of Asia low again. It's so crazy how price expected 50% of original consolidation most of the time in reverse. First presented tiny and 921. 921. What's the level we have there? It's like old one. So Asia low still not taking on ES. We got equal lows again, like lots of equal lows and equal highs on ES today. Trump said something exactly. So this equal lows my biggest concern right now. Oh, this is here. Anyway, it looks extremely bearish. Probably will drop to previous day low level. Guys, if you don't mind, I'm going to delete this to keep my chart clean. We got flat candle over here. Yeah, we got some sort of SMT at these lows. We got flat candle. But it's bearish right now. I would like to see previous day low level. I want to agree with your 780 level right now. Strong rejection from a 3-minute order block over here. Said before, we got 3-minute inversion. So let's see if price made it hold this inversion to go lower again. Yes, especially with, like we got couple of SMTs. Yes, concern definitely is lots of equal highs higher, but strong rejection from 50% of original consolidation. That's why it's a key level, you know? I'm watching what kind of PD race we have over here. We have another, like, not that important liquidity level at 808. Test of Asia low, SMT, but equal lows, it's impossible to leave this equal lows because it's also Asia low. So kind of doesn't make any sense to leave this. Interesting, at this point, I'm keeping my eyes right now on gold, and gold doesn't want to move at all. So Asia low taken on ES. So at least first key level taken on ES. At least we don't have SMT right now, but it's still kind of bearish shift. We got closure below the swing low, we got the closure below IM session sell side liquidity level on both yes and NQ. We just took Asia low, but since you don't have any SMT, I believe I kind of would like to see slightly lower. Guys, if you just joined, you see pinned message in the chat. This pinned message to participate in giveaway. So on gold, I will remain a same scenario, so I will still look for exactly same setup. Maybe not exactly from previous day low level, but idea will remain the same. What can we do with this inversion and this flat candle? That's the question. Like once again, it left some equal highs, higher on both yes and NQ. Kind of, if it wants to be like just the reversal to upside to this equal highs, I just feel like it was like a necessary move down at this point. Yeah, it could be nice move with SMT at lows, like not necessary to drop, but instead it just dropped to Asia low and just trying to offer full reversal to upside to this equal highs. That's crazy. I can understand this market. Stop understanding this. Look at this, guys. Crazy, right? Anyway, not going to engage in this garbage. Still cannot understand this. Beautiful price action? Okay, tell me what's the point of this reversal. Just tell me. I want to understand this. I mean, I don't care about this chap. Just tell me. Tell us. It's just interesting to see because when people say like it's beautiful price action, and for me personally doesn't make any sense, I really prefer to have someone's opinion about this. I mean, yeah, maybe. It's going to be funny if it's going to be just full reversal to upside because why not? Okay, we got flat candle. We just took this. It just offered. I call this delayed manipulation, but it's just still crazy for me to believe they just jumped to take Asia low. It was beautiful SMT at lows. It was so nice to take equal highs, but in reality, they said like, no, we'll just let's do just some stupid games. Drop because like why not? Let's pump because like why not? I love it. I mean, yeah, I'm just talking about not overall move. Just crazy. Anyway, guys, let's do giveaway. We have some fun. We had some fun just now. We have like, where is my random number generator? So you don't need to type any number, as I said before. So we have 498 participants. Okay, first winner is 293. I'm going to type names in the chat in my on my screen right now. First winner is, we have 10 winners, by the way. Guys, wait, so people don't miss their names. First winner. Second winner. 494. Wow. Second winner. Sorry guys, people just love to type numbers in the chat. I will type your name if you winner over here. I'm sorry about this. At 26. Mm. 469. Sorry guys, I cannot read the chat because it's impossible. I don't know why people are doing right now. Guys, if you just trying to ask me something, it's impossible to read, simply impossible. Well, 4. Next one, 247. Well, where's 247? Where's 247? I found you. Oh my god. Capital letters, so. We have 5 winners. 176. Six. 4 more. Guys, I'm sorry, I cannot read your messages at all. It's impossible. 135. Three more. 93, okay. Ah, 3 more. 2 more. 52. People keep typing numbers in the chat. I love it. One more. Oops, one more. We'll tap it over here. And one more. 398. 398. And don't worry, tomorrow another giveaway. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. Congratulations, winners. I'm sorry, guys, who didn't win this time. Tomorrow, another opportunity. Oh, you won! I'm so happy for you. So here's the winners, guys, for 10 accounts giveaway starter plan, my funded futures accounts. So congratulations. You're so happy. You know, I never won something in my life, but I'm so happy you won this. At least one person I know who won this. You're officially quitting giveaways. I'm sorry about this. Anyway, NQ just offered straight reversal. Love it. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Once again, Epic's sale ends tonight. If you want to get Epic's 80% off, get this before midnight. So I'm not sure if they're going to extend this. Like, we never know, right? So if you want to get Epic's 80% off, get this before, once again, midnight. What else, guys? Tomorrow, new giveaway. Tomorrow will be TradeZella giveaways. 3 premium 12-month subscriptions for free, of course. And it's going to be like all features available for you. Journaling, backtesting, track your performance, everything. Yeah, Apex always has sale. Just sometimes they take a break from sale for a couple of days. Yeah, 50K starter plan account with my funded futures. For Tradify, I will do straight to funded and 5 gross, I believe. Yes, not advanced. Oh, congratulations. Where are you? Over here. Yeah, I see this. Congratulations. So guys, thank you for watching me. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will enjoy my day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating in 2 giveaways today. Don't make stupid mistakes. Kind of tricky price action so far. I will keep my eyes on gold, the setup I showed you before. I wish you perfect the rest of your day. Once again, don't make stupid mistakes. Thank you for watching, guys, and tomorrow another giveaway. Don't be sad if you didn't win today. Tomorrow another chance, guys. So guys, see you later. Bye bye.